Keeper. 15 and a half. Shit, big ones. Hello guys, I came for talk fishing today. Today is November 20. You can have 3 keepers. No, actually 5 keepers. Oh, a lot of birds over there. Like bait fish over there. Alright, I'm gonna see the bait. So come up here. Let's see. Oh shit. Ah, he had a bite. Just pull it out.
You cannot sleep fishing there, right?
Huh?
You cannot sleep fishing there because once
Yeah.
you pull, you better pull.
Yeah. Was pulling it.
Because if
He
you
didn't
pull,
have-
they go in the rocks.
Yeah. Oh, that could be keeper. Oh, fuck. Come on, grab another rocks. It's on the rocks. It's hiding on the rocks. Not on the rocks. Just gotta be careful, bro. It's nice. Looks keeper. Fat ones. Looks like it. Let me go measure that. Do you have a taper to measure that?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. Alright, it looks like keeper.
How big gotta be? 14, right?
No, 15.
Oh, 15.
Yeah. Ay.
From there. Okay, so you got, see. Oh shit, man.
You gotta be go up here, man. No, right here.
You measure,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
measure.
so thank you.
Take your time.
Yeah, yeah.
Do what you got.
Right here.
Oh, from there, right?
Yeah, 16.
16, you
Almost
you
16. Yeah,
from
yeah.
Zero.
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
right.
yeah.
You're right.
16.
I know. You're good, save it.
Good, thanks.
Good luck.
Let's keep her. We can have 5, right? Alright, So that's the... Yeah, 15 and a half. Keeper. 15 and a half. Got one. Small ones, not a small trucks right here. Let's go fishing. Keep biting. Nice shot. Mackerel? Nice one. 저리 가. This is a spot right here. you go. Oh, such a big one. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Woo. Got on the reefs, bro. I thought that was a big one, but he got on the tail. Hey, I wanna measure that. But it's like 14, I guess. Hiding or something? Hiding? There you go, I'm getting out of the rocks. Getting out of the rocks. About this size. Should go. Getting out of the rocks. About this size. Smalls. Try again. Keep burning them. Try again.